Hey viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. A devastating fire at an e-rickshaw charging station in East Delhi's Shadra claimed 2 lives and left 4 others injured early today morning. According to the Delhi Fire Service, they received an emergency call at around 6:40 am, reporting a blaze near Ram Mandir on Moti Ram Road. In response, 5 fire tenders were immediately dispatched to the site. The fire erupted in a tin-roofed shed spread across roughly 400 square yards, which was being used as a charging facility for e-rickshaws. The fire was brought under control by 8:30 am. During the operation, 2 charred bodies were recovered from the debris, said DFS Chief Atul Garg. 4 others who sustained injuries were rescued and quickly taken to the GTB hospital for treatment. Authorities believe that the deceased may have been workers living at the station, though their identities have yet to be confirmed. Delhi police has apprehended the tenant in charge in connection with the fire at a godown used as an e-rickshaw charging station in the national capital's Shadra. The man who was apprehended was identified as Vinod Rathore. According to the police, the tin shed godown was being used for charging and parking of sugarcane juice machine e-rickshaws. A fire erupted in the godown in the early hours today, claiming the lives of 19-year-old Brijesh and an 18-year-old Maniram. The 4 injured, Harishankar, Rinku, Mukesh, Vipin, in the incident has been admitted to the GTB hospital, the police said. The injured and the deceased were from Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh and used to sell sugarcane juice on these rickshaws, police added. Further investigation is underway.
मदन पांडे।
मदन जी, यहाँ आग कैसे लगी, किस चीज़ का गोदाम था?
ये गन्ने का जूस बेचते थे ये लोग, ठीक है। और उसमें जो आग लगी है, बैटरी चार्ज हो रही थी, वो फॉल्ट होने के कारण आग लगी थी।
कितने ई रिक्शे होंगे?
इसमें 10 ई रिक्शे थे।
बाइकें भी हैं?
2 बाइकें हैं, 1 स्कूटी है।
बता रहे कुछ लोग मरे भी हैं।
हाँ, 2 लोग इसके अंदर यानी कि 5-6 लोग घायल हो चुके हैं और 2 लोग डेथ हो चुकी है।
तो कितना पुराना गोदाम है?
1.5 साल पुराना है, ज़्यादा पुराना नहीं है, 1.5 साल पुराना है। इससे पहले ये रेंटेड है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ओनर का ही है, रेंटेड है ये। और ओनर भी नेचर उनका भी ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि नेचर खराब है उनका। और लड़के भी ठीक थे यहाँ पे, ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़का माहौल, बहुत से लड़के ऐसे होते हैं ना कि माहौल ख़राब करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। उनका नेचर भी ठीक है।
आप यहीं रहते हैं?
मैं यहीं रहता हूँ।
That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.